Hi there, this is a demo video for RepliQ and how to generate personalized videos at scale. So the first page you will get to when you log in is this dashboard where you choose the background for your use case. As you can see, there are many different options depending on the service you are providing, for example using job boards or career pages towards potential clients for recruiters, or maybe websites or different social media profiles for sales, etc. And whenever you chosen your background, you will then be asked to upload your video. Either you upload a file, or you record one directly in the tool, or use one of our examples to just make a quick test. I'm using one video I made right here, and after I uploaded it, I will click next. Next is to upload a file with your leads information to know what URL links you want to have as a background. Either you can upload a file or you can use our examples. You can also choose to copy and paste the data if it's easier for you. The file can include as many columns as you like, as long as they all have a header. RepliQ will then read the data and map the fields it needs. If it's the wrong column, you can easily map it yourself with the right one. And after processing the data, you will then be able to customize your video page. First option is to choose how you want your video bubble to appear. As you can see, there is a scaled down preview. We can see how this video will look like. Either the big bubble that pops and hide the dynamic background to connect more with your prospect. You can also choose after how many seconds you want the video to switch to the video option of your choice. Second option is to keep the bubble in the corner to show the background throughout the whole video. Maybe you have a job ad or something else you want them to see throughout the whole video. The last option is the full screen option, where your video takes over the whole screen. This is a good option if you have a video where you are sharing your screen and want to show your tool's features going through a presentation or maybe other clients' results. After the video options, you can then customize your own video page by adding your own video title, description, the button text, and the link where you want your button to go. There is also a moving mouse on the screen to make it look more dynamic that you can choose to remove if you like. The last step is to add your own logo to make it more like your own branding, and then you can choose to generate the videos. The generation should just take a few minutes depending on the background of your choice. When it's done, you will find the files under your files, and under this tab you will find all the videos that you have been created before. You can find the results file to download here. When opening the file, you will see information such as if the video was made successfully or not, and the video links to share. As you can see, there are two different columns with video links. The one column contains URLs to share on social media. That's the column you choose if you're doing outreach on LinkedIn, for example. And the HTML email code is used to share on cold email campaigns. If you scroll to the side, you will find your other columns of the original file that you uploaded. Why it's important to use the right links is for RepliQ to be able to generate the personalized video preview. To add RepliQ videos in your outreach campaigns, simply upload this file in your favorite outreach tool. When uploaded in your outreach tool, you use the link as a custom variable to adapt each video to each lead, going back to the RepliQ tool and the tab My Files. Here you can preview your videos to see that the background looks like it should. You have the options to copy all the video links to share on social media or by email. In the bottom you will find a link to share it in a one-by-one email, and I will just show you how that will look in an email containing a RepliQ video. When sending a RepliQ video, the receiver will see their own website or social media profile in the background of your video as a preview. The videos are adapted to each lead, including their name in the link if you provided that information when uploading your lead's information. When they click on the video, they will come to a video page that looks like this. And that's the final video page that you saw as a scaled down preview in RepliQ. Hi there everyone, so in this video I'm going to walk through the CSV file with you and also show you how to add RepliQ videos in your favorite outreach tool. So in this video I'm going to use Lemlist, but basically it's going to work the same in most of the outreach tools. So after finishing generating your videos, you will find them here, and you will also find all of the previous videos that you made. If you're pressing on video previews, you will then be able to preview all of the videos that's been generated in that list that you just uploaded. And here you can just make sure that everything looks fine in the background. In this example, I'm using the ChatGPT prompts backgrounds. And you can also copy the link to share on social media or copy the link to share on one single email. So if you copy this link, you can then just open a new email and send it directly instead of going through an outreach tool if you want to. Then we're heading back to the tool and we're going to download our CSV file, and we're going to walk through the CSV file together to see how it looks. So the colored columns are columns that RepliQ add for you, and in the end of this file you will find white columns, and all of those white columns are columns that you had in your original file that you uploaded in RepliQ that we didn't need to generate the videos. You will find them here. But going back to the links, we're going to walk through the links. So the first column here is links to share on social media. So if you're doing LinkedIn outreach, for instance, this is the column that you're using in your outreach tool. And then next to it, you will find the HTML email code, and that's the links that you're going to use in your email outreach tool. Some of the outreach tools only allow certain limits of characters that needs to be less than 250 characters, and if that is the case, then you will use this H column here that is less than 250 characters. That will take away the name under the preview. And next to that column you will find the background image link. That is a screenshot of the background itself to incorporate in your email copy if you would like. So the background image link is the one you're using on social media for LinkedIn outreach, for instance, and the image HTML code is for emails. And you will also, if you're using the ChatGPT background as this example, you will find the prompt that we used here, and also getting the prompts in text to also be able to use it in your email copy. Now when we have our CSV file, let's jump over to Lemlist and see how we add those RepliQ links into our outreach tool. And the first thing we do is just to upload our CSV file. After uploading your file, Lemlist will then map your fields, and the most common variables it will find, such as first name, last name, company name, emails, and so on. And the rest of the fields, you just put custom variables on all of them. Then you just import the leads. Once uploaded, you will find all of your leads here, and then we're going to go to the sequence to put the RepliQ video links as custom variables. And in this example, I'm going to use the image of the ChatGPT answers in my first email, and then I'm going to add the RepliQ video in the second email as a follow-up. To add my image link, I'm going to click on custom variable, and then I'm going to scroll down to the bottom where I can find the image HTML email code. After inserting the custom variable, each image will then be adapted to each lead. And in my second email, I'm going to add the RepliQ video link. And it's going to be the same way. We're going to add the custom variable. We're scrolling down to the bottom where we find the HTML video code. When both of our custom variables are in place, we can then go to the preview tab to see how this is going to turn out for each lead. And here we can double check to make sure that each screenshot and each video is for the right lead. So this you can double check to see, and you will also see the first name under the video to make sure that it's the same first name as your lead. That's how easy it is to add RepliQ video links in your favorite outreach tool. So basically you just import your CSV file, add custom variables, and then you're ready to send your videos. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, then just jump on the chat on our website and we're ready to help you.